My princess.
Where are you coming back from?
I went to see a friend.
You went to see her, right? She's the reason you have been avoiding me.
Ogonna is just a friend in need and I'm trying to help her out.
Oh, shut up. That's how you men lie. So tell me, is she more beautiful than I am?
No, don't say that.
Then why do you prefer her?
Princess, you are my sister.
I am not your sister. You hear me? I am not your sister. Now I want you to stay away from her. Stay clear from her. You hear me? It's not a wish. It's a command.
Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Change your lifestyle for better. Destiny. My destiny.
My child, I wish I could help you, but I'm helpless. It grieves me to let go of you, but death awaits you in my bosom. They call you an evil child, but I call you solution. Let he that formed you protect you. Goodbye, my child. Goodbye.
Onye mebuna nyakanya diocha makechi. Onye bupona nyakanya diocha makechi niye. Abulo ni na twalo ifoto no bigi biko vitamina makandogi. Kaiwe kwake wenofe tupo horaka madu gane kwane teka kwa. Onye mebupona nyakanya diocha inana ikonye jimanyalo madibenya kage jimayalo nya. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Change your lifestyle.
You didn't see anybody? They were searched everywhere, we didn't see him. Are you sure? Yes. That's him. We have come to destroy the evil seed you and your household planted in Umago. I have no evil seed. You and your family have brought shame upon this land, and you shall pay with your blood. Let's go.
This is very risky. Let's go back. We are walking on a dangerous zone, you know.
Come on, Ago, don't be superstitious.
I am not, my prince. Your father, Igwa Kubeze, will kill me if any harm should come to you.
Ago, would you shut up and let's leave this moment? What is wrong with you? Huh? How dare you question my authority?
I'm sorry.
Do you know what royalty means?
Number. Prince.
I am royalty.
Yes, you are.
So you better get that into your head.
Yes,
now let's leave this moment.
Yes, my prince.
Idiot. Ago. Ima na ade eme. Ade eme. Ituta ife ngwa gị. Odelanya.
Onye bụkwa n'anya tanya dị ọcha maka echi niile. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-atụ alo ife ọjọọ n'obi gị, biko fichapụ ya maka ndụ gị. Ka ị wepụ aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọ ghọrọ aka mmadụ, gaa na-ekwu a na-etekakwa. Onye megbukwa n'anya tanya dị ọcha, ị na-anụ ikonye ji manyelu mmadụ ibe ya ka ga-eji manyelu ya. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. Change your lifestyle for better. Destiny. My destiny. Akalaka njebi owamu. Onye chimeleze kabueze. Onye bukwa na nwanne ya n'ụwa manche. Ife delu edegonya. N'ụwa o.
Ago, I'm tired.
Well, I told you earlier, my prince. Let's go back. Now we are in the middle of nowhere.
Lily livered. In as much as I'm tired, Ago, I'm still enjoying the whole scenario. Are you not enjoying it?
If you say so, my prince, I'm enjoying it.
So I suggest we proceed.
Makanade meme.
I go back to Quaran. Let's just relax for So what were you trying to tell me before?
My prince, I was only afraid of your father. Igwakubeze. I hope he will not be angry with us.
My father cannot do anything. You should realize that I'm the prince of Uja Kingdom. If I'm not some kind of...
Makanade meme, my prince.
Oh, yeah.
Who are you? I repeat, what are you people doing here? Who are you?
Who are you and where are you from?
You don't need to know.
What do you want?
You want to fight me? You want to fight me?
I said, what do you want?
Ago. Okenta, hold this for me.
Ago, go see if I do, Ago.
Ago. Who am I is the leader here? Show yourself.
Show them
you
who
the leader.
Ago.
I am the leader.
Ago.
If you can make nobody danger, okay, you the bottom maybe see, maybe don't see. Onye follow one year no number. You be going alone, yaka. Onye mapanisi get I love your neighbor as you love yourself. No more boundaries, no more troubles. Yeah, Kai be nudo.
It's like that past.
Ago, we go go.
Ndo, ane menke me.
Ago,
see my best, they are coming.
Hey, what am I name?
My boss, my prince.
malife gesokunu asim yeme kwaniya onye mechio echi dime onye mife chigamo ai kai welu nudo biri yani di notu makana ijabu wanne ofu obala no fele ifeki na wanne gejena no rapi bu bana yebo makosita di mama odi belmo ijeno abo wayo osoye ifunanya love your neighbor gide so kwe wannem obadiroma onaga safu obodo ifoko neme no bodo dinjo ogeji do bodo mebisi ebidonisi ai onye folo wanni no namba ya biko onye lonyaka onye makwa nisi kechi ezechi
I'm sorry, my prince. We're too now.
Amadio. No, I can't take this. I can't take. Where's my staff? Where's my staff? I can't find my staff again. Where's my staff? Agu, where's my staff? Oh, no. Me, Prince Ikedi. Prince Ikedi of Uja Kingdom, be humiliated like this. I will not take that. It is totally unacceptable. And you know it. Yes, I know. It is totally unacceptable. And you know it. Agu. Oh, no. Mba, just look at me. Just take a good look at me. A prince that I am, being treated like a commoner. And you stand there and go and look at me like this. Oh, no, Mba, if you may go. You know what I'm talking about. What did I say? Mba, no. I will not take this. I said I will not take this. Mba, no.
How dare you lead my son to be killed by those barbarians? Agu, I trusted you. That is why I made you his personal guard, because he's very unstable. Have you grown so weak and useless that you cannot take care of him?
I am sorry, my king. It won't happen again, my king.
What? Get out of here this minute. I said, get out of my presence now. I said, get out here. Out.
Point of correction, father. It's not his fault. I can take care of myself. I mean, I don't know why you keep looking at me like I'm a child. Father, you needed to see the way I ran. I think I can go for running competition.
Ikedi, Father, get inside now.
Father, what?
I said go in! Yes, brother.
Father.
Hey, wait. Where is your staff of service? The people of Fumago have beaten more than their mouth can take in. They made an attempt on the life of my son, Prince Ikedi here. As if that is not enough, they seized his staff of office, without which he is irrelevant and inconsequential in the royal household and in this kingdom as a whole.
I don't understand you, Father. I don't at all. I mean, what's the big deal about a calf stick? If you ask me, Father, I think it's overrated.
Oh, it is not, my prince. It is not overrated. That thing you refer to as so-called calf stick is your only access to the throne of your father. Yes. In case you don't know.
Meaning?
Meaning,
if it is not recovered in earnest, you will forfeit your place as the prince of this land. Tell him. And in addition to that, you would live as a commoner.
Hell no. Hell no, father. Hell no. I can't stand to be a commoner. It's not negotiable. I mean, what are we waiting for? Let's all invade Umuago and retrieve my staff of office. It's totally unacceptable, father. I can't be a commoner. Yes.
Ike, my son, you fetch an ant-infected firewood. Then, you even invited their trouble. Leave us now. I said leave us for now.
Father, you and I know it's not good for my health. I can't stand to be a commoner, I can't. Father, take note, I can't stand to be a commoner. I can't.
My people. Hold it right there. Who are you and what is your mission here?
We are emissary from Oja Kingdom and we come in peace. We have a very urgent message from Igwe Akobweze VI of Oja Kingdom to Igwe Dikeh of Umuago Kingdom.
I see. Search them.
Like I said, we come in peace.
They are clean. You may come with me.
Gidi, zokwe. Wanem Obadirama, Onaga Safobodo. Ifokune.
Igwe Katasi Igwe. The handmaid of the gods. My father. I come before you with your favorite bushmeat. Prepared just the way you like it.
I see. My son Odenibo. What could I have done without you?
Wait. Let me see my king.
Trophy dear.
Thank you, father.
You can sit down.
My king, may you live long. Emissary from Oja Kingdom. He wants to have a word with you.
What for?
I wouldn't know, my king.
Let him in.
As it pleases, my king. You may now go now.
Denibo.
Father.
Keep the bush meat. Ask Madoka and Kenga to come in.
Okay, father.
Onye bupo n'anya kanya dị ọcha maka echi niile. Ọ bụrụ na ị na-atụ alo ife ọjọọ n'obi gị, biko fichapụ ya maka ndụ gị. Ka ị wepụ aka enwe n'ofe tupu ọ ghọrọ aka mmadụ ga na-ekwu a na-etekakwa.
Odenibo, what are you doing here? Don't you have anything reasonable to do inside? Get out.
I asked Odenibo to stay.
My king. Odenibo should not be here while we deliberate. The butterfly should not see itself as a bird just because it has gotten some perishable wings that cannot stand the test of times.
Ikenga. Odenibo has washed his hands clean. And as such, he dines with elders.
But my king, Odenibo is still a child. But my king...
That's okay, that's okay. Young man, what brings you to my kingdom?
Igwe, I bring you greetings from Igwe Akubweze, the 6th of Uja Kingdom. I have come to let you know that you have something in your possession that belongs to us. And we need it so urgently because its disappearance spells doom in our kingdom.
I see. Igwe Dikeh owes no man nothing.
Igwe, your men attacked Prince Ikedi Akubweze. As if that was not enough, they still made away with the staff of office. And you are aware of it.
Your prince trespassed on our land. You all are aware of the hostility toward trespassers. But for your missing staff, we do not know anything about it.
Oh, Igwe, we have it on good account that the missing staff of office is in your kingdom. And our relationship with the people of Omwago has never been cordial right from time, and you know it. And Igwe Akubweze wouldn't want to be dead into doing something rash to get it back from you.
Young man, if you're not sent here as a missionary, I would have taken off your head. You heard me? You heard me? Good. Tell your king his challenge is welcome. Now!
Get out! Out! Guards! Take him away!
You don't need to know. Oh, you don't want me to catch you, have you? Huh? You thought I would catch you, huh?
You caught me.
Yeah, I love you so much.
Love you too.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
Are you sure?
Very, very sure.
You know, I'm always happy whenever I'm with you.
Really?
Yes.
I'm happy too.
You sure you're happy whenever I'm with you?
Sure. Okay.
So, how is everyone in your house?
Everybody's fine.
Yeah, no problem. So after here, when are we going to see again?
This is so soon.
Love your neighbor. Giddy, so where? One name of Badirama on Nagasafu Bodo. If we're gonna make no Bodo danger, I'll get you the Bodo maybe see, maybe don't see. On your fellow 1 year no number, you be going your Lonyaka, on your Mapanisi get I love your neighbor as you love yourself. No more boundaries, no more.
Greetings, Father.
Who is that girl I saw you with?
Who? Oh, her name is Akudo.
Daughter of a nobody, a peasant, a commoner. Hi, is that what you have reduced yourself to? Son of Ikenga, mixing up with maidens with no names?
But Father, she has a name.
What name? Obi, what name are you talking about? How many lands does her father have? How many barns does he have? How many cattle? I thought by now you should be reasonable enough to attract or even convert women that will bring more wealth and glory to this house, and not bringing in mud to break into my stone rooms. Obi, I won't allow you bring shame to me. I won't allow you bring shame to me.
I don't understand all these things you are saying. Which one is every time you will be disturbing somebody in this house?
Huh? You mean Igwe Dikeh threw you out of his palace and asked me to do my worst?
Igwe, I have never seen a king this hostile in the whole of my life. I have never.
Obase, tell the town crier to sound the ikoro. Gather all the warriors and strong men of this kingdom. At dawn, we shall invade Umago to retrieve the staff. we will take Dikeh and his people captives into this land. My silence has been mistaken for cowardice.
As it pleases my king.
Go now.
You sent for me, my princess.
Where have you been?
I've been in the king's chamber, making his bed.
Come and massage me.
My princess?
You heard me. Come quickly. Go down to my waistline.
My princess, I can't.
Why?
It's abominable for anybody to touch the waist of the princess of Umuago. My head may not live long enough on my shoulder to tell the story.
It's my waist, and I choose to do whatever I want with it. Now I command you to rub my waist.
I can't do it, my princess.
Odenibo! Odenibo! Come back here!
Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, my daughter. I hope you slept well.
Yes, Mama, I did. I want to go and get water from the stream.
Better hasten up and come back. We have to go to the farm to harvest our cassava. Oh,
I will, Mama.
Oh,
Mama.
My sisters, it's going to be a tug of war between Uja and Umuago. Look, today, if Umuago does not provide the printing staff of office in their possession, Uja will show them the stuff they are made of. Yes.
The fact is that Umuago stole from us.
Yes.
But pride won't let them own up to it.
Yes. Whether they own up to it or not, we are going to tell them that we are superior to them. Yes. Finish them now. Who are they? Well done. What can they do? Who are they? I know. We will show them. We will show them what the stuff we're made of.
Destiny, destiny, my destiny, my destiny. Akalaka njebio akalaka me wero pichamacha ifeji.
Why is the water looking so dirty today? I hope it gets settled before I get home.
You all know me. I am a man of peace. But I can't continue to allow the enemy, our enemies, take undue advantage of us.
Not at all.
Just because I love peace. Umuago people have beaten more than their mouth can chew and risk their teeth being pulled out. Umago has our royal artifact. The binds no era pivoja chomma muyaloro. We are born warriors and never lost a battle.
Yes.
Go with all the warriors. Invade Umago. Kill anything that stands your way. Take Umago captive and come back with all the spoil therein. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Igwe, so shall it be.
You may now go and come back victorious.
Igwe, may you live long. Because, Igwe, that which you seek is not in Umuago kingdom.
What do you mean, woman?
My daughter went to the stream this morning, and then when she came back,
Look at what I saw in the water I just fetched from the stream.
Have you seen what your carelessness almost cost us? We were at the verge of making Umago our eternal enemies. Irresponsibility is a clear sign of immaturity. If you must lead the people of Oja Kingdom, you must learn how to be responsible.
Take it easy on him, my lord. He is only a child. He will learn when he grows up. Please.
A child? Learn when he grows? Now I see why he has refused to grow. You feed him with lies and fantasies. Do you see yourself as a child? Even with beards all over your face. Let me tell you, you owe that girl an eternal gratitude. Go to her. Let me see how responsible you can be.
I've heard you, Father. I'll do as you instructed. Long live your highness.
It's okay, my son.
My lord, please take it easy on him. He's only a child, please. Please.
I just hope so.
How dare you disobey and walk out on me?
I'm sorry, but I did what was necessary. I don't want the wrath of your father, my father, to befall me. We are family.
We are not family. My father is not your father.
He has raised me like his. He calls me son. I don't want to do anything to destroy that bond.
Get out of my sight. Get out!
So you are the papa that saved me today. Prince Ike's life
saved by a pauper. Don't you think that would be an absurd paper headline? Now tell me, how do I pay you? Okay, I got it. I want to make an offer to you, such that you won't refuse. I mean, no girl. I repeat, no girl in this village will refuse such a rare offer. After all, my dad said I should take responsibility, and that's what I'm about to do right now. I want to make you my bride, and I know you won't say no to that. Did she just walk out on me?
My daughter, what went wrong at the meeting? Everything went wrong, Mama. Everything.
What is it?
Can you imagine the prince making me an offer?
What kind of offer?
Marriage offer.
Hey, what did you tell him?
Now, what was I supposed to tell him? I walked out on him. Why? Makaginisi? Why would you be asking me why? That prince is so arrogant. He is so full of himself. I don't even know what he thinks he is. He does not have respect for women, Mama. Besides, it's not like he proposed to marry me. He just made an offer.
Do you know he's a prince? He's
a prince, so... Well, better hurry up and come and help me here.
They've just said yes.
Mother, can you imagine that girl walked out of me? Why? Why would she do that to me? Huh?
That girl doesn't strike me like one who will do a thing like that if you didn't make a provocative statement.
Oh, Mother, I only made an offer to her and I thought she wouldn't refuse. So why would she do that to me? Does she realize who I am in this kingdom? I can't take that, Mother. I can't take that.
She is a woman, not a property. Get down from your high horse and do the right thing.
Mother, I'm surprised you're saying this. I am surprised you're saying this, Mother. I am surprised at you.
Where are you off to this early?
I'm going to check my trap. I dreamt it caught a big antelope, the king's delight.
I see. Be quick about it. I'll have you do something for me.
Okay, my princess. I'll be back soon.
Makechi, onye bupo nanya tanya diota. Makechi ni apolo ni na tualo. Ifo to no bigi, biko ficha pinya makandogi. Kaiwe kwa kewe.
Chimo, ma, Chimo.
What happened? Huh?
Snake!
Snake bit you? It's alright, okay? It's okay. Where are you from?
Woke's compound.
Woke's compound. Okay, this will stop the venom from spreading. I'll take you to Woke's compound right away so you can get proper treatment. Come. Sorry.
What are you doing here?
You're welcome, Prince.
Thank you.
Did you miss your way because this place does not look like where Prince Ikedi visits?
Well, you're right anyway. You've got to be very special to have me do that for you. Now, if you don't mind, take a walk with me.
Huh?
Destiny, destiny, oh. My destiny, my destiny. Oh. Akalaka njebio wamo, akalaka me wero ficha mancha. Ife chipulu obunya gemelele, isi chitu yelugo bugo ya. Onye chido belundu gadelele. If you wanna messy destiny, destiny, akalake we're on feature. My destiny, my destiny, akalake we're on feature. Akalaka njebio wamo, akalake we're on feature. Onye chimele se gabuese, akalake we're on feature. Onye bukwana wana ya no wakanche, we're on feature. Ife delo edegonya. Onye mebuna nyakanya diota makechi. Onye bupona nyakanya diota makechi nine. Apolo ni na twalo. Ifo no bigi. Uju ko vitamina.
Uju! Where is your Denibo?
I didn't see him. Is there a problem, my princess?
What sort of stupid question is that? Get out of my sight! Get out!
Destiny, destiny, oh. My destiny, my destiny, oh.
Yes, we had a rough start. I sincerely want to apologize for what happened the other time. You know I'm a man. A full-grown man at that, and then I never believed any woman on this earth could save my life. But you did, and I owe you a lot.
No, you don't.
No, I do. I do. Let's have a fresh start, friends. So now tell me, what are you up to today? Like what and what would you be doing today?
I'll go back home and take care of my mother.
So, I was thinking you'll go to the stream first.
I'll go there afterwards.
It's nice. It's good. All right, then let's see what happens. I think I have some special for you. Some special for you.
Good day, my father.
Adomwago, Adanelu Quaran, Irinia. You look downcast. What grieves you, my daughter?
Father, have you seen Odenibo?
I see. Love of a sister to a brother. That is wonderful. Don't worry, soon be home.
Father, you don't seem to be worried.
Why should I? Udenibo is a man I've trained to be a warrior. And I'm sure he can take care of himself wherever he is. Besides, I think it's time for him to bring a maiden into this house.
What? Father!
Hmm?
Father, how can you say that? I mean, Udenibo is still a small boy.
Small boy? A man I trained to be a warrior? Don't forget, he's your elder brother.
Father, I beg to take my leave.
Okay.
Am I alive?
Yes, you are alive. You could have been dead if I didn't arrive there on time.
Thank you for saving my life.
Thank the gods. Get up. Take a gulp of this. It will make you get better quickly. It's okay. Repeat same later at night, okay?
I'm grateful.
It's okay.
What is your name?
My name is Odenibo.
I am Ogonna. Thank you, Odenibo. Thank you.
Sorry, Ogonna. It's just a stink. Sorry, you'll be good. Sorry. Okay? Don't worry, in no time you'll be fine. You just remember to take this later in the day. Alright. I have to run along now. It's getting late and Dikeh will be expecting me. I'm glad I was able to help. I will come first thing at dawn to come and check up on you.
I'm grateful. May the gods be with you.
And also with you.
After all you have said, you still have not given me enough reason for coming back late.
My princess, someone was at the point of death, so I had to save her.
I don't care if you have to save the entire Omago. My needs come first.
My princess, I've searched everywhere but I couldn't find him.
So Udenibo has grown so much wings. I will clip those wings of his. Nobody defies my orders. Not even Udenibo.
Here.
Oh, thank you.
Your healing hands made me strong. You're greater than the greatest Dikeh in Omago Kingdom. How did you learn all that?
I don't know honestly. I just grew up and discovered I had the gift. The king is always strong because of the roots and herbs I make for him.
I agree. I can testify to that.
Thank you. So tell me, do you stay here alone? Where are your parents?
They are dead.
Oh.
I'm a lone wolf.
Sorry about that. What happened to them? Sorry if I'm about to wake up long dead and forgotten memories. It's okay.
I'm not in the mood to talk about the tragedy that led to their death.
Anytime you want to. Take your time.
Okay. I made something you like. Let me get it for you.
Okay.
Greetings, Omezwe Ikenga. Greetings to you. Greetings. Devon, enter to the king. I hope he's in.
No, he's not.
Where did he go?
He went out with Odenibo.
Which Odenibo?
The Odenibo, you know.
Odenibo.
This one's standing over.
Yes, there are 4 of them. You can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ah, this big?
Yes. Oh, it's the crown.
Oh. So it stretches all the way from this point
Down
to that
beyond
end.
No, down beyond the stream.
Beyond that stream?
Yes.
Oh.
My son, it's all yours.
Father, I never knew about this. I don't know.
That's one of the reasons I brought you here to know.
Thank you, Father.
No, it's okay.
Thank you for showing me all of this.
It's okay, my son. It's okay.
Oh, so this much land belongs to you. How come they are never cultivated?
We have a lot of vast lands. No, they're all virgin lands. We have a lot.
You know, I used to think it was only those ones we had at the Omago and the farm.
No, there are a lot. I will show you more. Not only this, I will show you more.
Thank you, Father.
Family.
Onye malife ga-esokunu asim yemekwaniya onye mechio echi dime onye mife chigamu ka enwelu n'udo bili ya ni dị n'otu maka na ije bụ nwanne ofu ọbara na ofu elili ife gị na nwanne gị je na anụ rapụ igbukwara ya egbuo maka osite adịba mma.
My son, you have been distracted recently. Is something I should know?
I'm sorry, Father.
No, don't worry, my son. I'm not angry with you. Who is she?
Your Highness?
My son, there are 2 types of hunting men go for. Hunting for meat and hunting for women.
Father,
Don't worry, my son. Tell her she's welcome to my palace. You can bring her home. You are growing up, don't worry.
Good afternoon, Princess. I have something to...
If you have anything to say, make it quick. I don't have the patience for this.
I know it's not my business, but I heard the guys discussing that Odin will soon get married.
What? Who told you that?
I heard that the king, your father, asked Odin to bring her to the palace.
Who is she?
I don't know, my princess.
Find out immediately and get yours back to me. Go.
Yes, my princess.
Mama, ayana. Ayana, ubolato, ayana, ubolabo, ayana, ganna mama, ganna wojuko, ayana. Yeah. Wow! You dance very well. You know, it takes a lot of practice to do this kind of dance.
Thank you. It makes me so happy each time I dance. Thank you so much for giving me back my happiness. For the first time in my life, I feel I found a true friend in you. Thank you.
You deserve to be happy. And I will do everything in this world to make you happy. No, now. Don't do this. No. See, I'll always be here for you, okay? I just promised you I'll make you happy. Okay? You don't have to cry, please. Look at me. Now smile for me. That's how I want to always see you. Happy, okay?
Sing for me, Ma. I want to dance.
You want to dance more? Okay, let's go.
You mean you saw them cuddling each other?
Yes, my princess.
What does she look like? Is she more beautiful than me? Speak! I said, speak now!
Yes, she is.
How beautiful is she?
Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
And I ask you again, is she more beautiful than me?
No, my princess.
Huh. You're lying. I can see it in your eyes. You think she's more beautiful than me, right?
No, my princess.
Get out. Get out!
My princess.
Where are you coming back from?
I went to see a friend.
You went to see her, right? She's the reason you have been avoiding me.
Ogonna is just a friend in need and I'm trying to help her out.
Oh, shut up. That's how you men lie. So tell me, is she more beautiful than I am?
No, don't say that.
Then why do you prefer her?
Princess, you are my sister.
I am not your sister. You hear me? I am not your sister. Now I want you to stay away from her. Stay clear from her. You hear me? It's not a wish. It's a command.
Nine. You look worried. What is the problem? Hey, my husband.
Ori, where is your son?
My son?
Yes, your son.
He went out.
Went out?
Yes.
With that daughter of a nobody? Son of a noble. Going out with daughter of a nobody. that is not a comfortable mix.
Nine. Is that why you're worried?
Is that not enough? You better talk senses into him. Otherwise, I will cut him off.
Nanya, I will.
You better do.
I will.
Destiny, destiny, oh. My destiny, my destiny. Oh.
No one stands in my way of happiness. Nobody takes what belongs to Ada Umuago, daughter of Dikeh. I will deal with Ogonna.
She said you should come to the stream urgently.
Who?
Ogonna.
Ogonna?
Yes.
Is she alright?
She's alright. Just come with me. Just come.
Ogonna?
Yes. You sure she's okay? She's okay. She's okay. Just come.
Ogonna! 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 Ogonna, who did this to you? Ogonna, can you hear me? Ogonna, who did this to you now? Can you hear me? Who? Talk, I can hear you. Who did this to you? Talk now, talk. Who did this to you, Ogonna? Ogonna? Who? Ogonna, you? Ogonna? Ogonna! Hey! Somebody help! Somebody help me! Ogonna, you cannot do this now. You can't die like that. Thank you. Come and help me, Carrie. I don't know what happened to her.
What is going on here, Odenibo? What have you done to this poor girl? You killed her?
No! I came in here and then I saw her like this and someone told me on the way that she was...
Yes, you did. Igwe must hear this.
No, don't go and bear false witness. Listen to me. I did not kill her. Wait, don't go and lie against me. Ogonna, tell them I did not do this to you. Ogonna! Ogonna! Ogonna, wake up and talk now. Hey! Umuago, Ogonna, you cannot put me in trouble now. Tell them I did not do this to you now. Ogonna! Ogonna!
Igwe, the youths of the village brought Odenibo. They said he raped and killed a girl called Ogonna.
What? It's not true. Odenibo, did you do it? Father, I didn't do it. They are accusing me wrongly. I did not do anything of such. I met her dead when I got to that point. I swear by the gods, I did not do it, Father. You know me, you know your son. Believe me, I did not. Oh, you shut up. I don't believe it. When will you start believing?
Then why would the youth lie against you?
I don't know. I don't know why they lie against me this way. I do not know. Ask him that question over and over. Ask him again.
Odenibo. Guards, take him away.
Hey!
Lock him up into the cell.
Have you seen it?
No food, no water.
I am telling you I did not do this. Can't you trust me as your son? I did not do what I've been accused of. When I was saying it, you said I was mad. This is just the beginning.
He is guilty as alleged. He did commit the atrocity.
Didn't I say it? Mouthpiece of the gods. Are you sure about this?
The gods do not lie. Igwe, you must do what is required of you.
Oh.
Justice must be done.
When I said it, you people thought I was lying. Now you've heard it from...
How will I?
He's a Dibia. Why?
Maduka, what are you saying? That young man is my only son. How do you expect me to turn my back on him?
Igwe,
You are the lion of Umuago and cannot be seen as a weakling. The people want justice. And the spirit of the dead girl wants justice. Or do you want to be seen as a leader who turns his back on justice when a member of his household commits an abomination? No. Justice must run its full course. Igwe, do the right thing.
Open that door. Go in there and bring him out. Move it, I said. Come out here. Move. Move it. Where you take him? Move it. Take him. Move it. Let's take him to the king. Move it.
Odenibo, why? Why did you do it? You brought disgrace and shame to my name and the entire kingdom. If you had needed a handful of beautiful women, all you could have done was to ask.
Father, you know me very well. You raised me as your son. I could never do a thing like that. I can't.
Oh, shut up.
But the chief priest, the mouth of the gods pronounced you guilty.
We were all there.
But you lied to me. You betrayed the confidence, the trust and the love I have for you. Everyone here wants you killed, but I will not have you killed. Let fate decide what becomes of you. But the power confined on me, as the Dikeh of Umuago Kingdom, I hereby banish you for life.
Igwe! May your reigns be long. I know you are a good man with a good heart. Other Igwes would have just ordered his execution.
I beg you, my father, my king, my lord, don't do this to me. I'm innocent.
I don't want to see you again. Guards, Igwe, take him away.
Igwe! May the gods have pity on you. What? Let's go here. Yes. This is the boundary between Umuago and Oja village. You are not to return in this life or in life to come. Do you hear me? Yeah. Let's get out of here. Move it. Leave here. Let's go. Move it. Yeah.
My daughter, why do you cry?
Father, I'm not crying.
You cry because of him?
Father, I took him as my own brother. I didn't know that he could do a thing like that.
It breaks my heart too. But the name of Denibo is forbidden in this palace and the entire Umago kingdom. Don't ever cry or pity evil. You heard me?
Mama, eat now. At least say something. Let me know you can hear me, Mama. You've not eaten anything since you won't say anything. Mama, don't do this to me, Bikonu. Don't do this to me. I don't have any other person who wants to give Bikonu. Eat. Mama, eat now. You've not eaten anything since. I don't even have money to take you to any herbal home. Mama, please eat before you die on me, Bikonu. Hey, Mama, Bikonu. Hey! Mama.
Yes. Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for the prince.
You? Looking for the prince? Like this? Now for the last time, who are you looking for?
I'm here to... I want to see Prince Ikedi.
Well, I'm sorry. Prince Ikedi is fast asleep and wouldn't want to be disturbed.
Please, tell him it's Akugo, please. Tell him Akugo wants to see him. It's an emergency, it's very important, please.
The prince gave a standing order. Or do you want me to lose my job? I'm sure you don't want that. So please, go. Go.
Mama, you're still lying there. You don't want to eat. You won't talk to me. You won't do anything. What do you want me to do now? I don't know what to do again, Mama. I don't know what you want me to do. Lenny, you won't eat. Mama, Mama, please now. Eat even if it's a bite. Or you say something, let me know you can hear me. I don't know what to do. Hi.
is how you are. Who will believe me? Who will save me? Who is gonna believe me? Nobody wants to help me. Nobody wants to hear me out. Obusonye kanga mwakuru. Jime, obusonye kamuga kosari juwame. Alele mwa wagari. Alele bukwa wagerije. Okwa bolo na nemu nonso. Nemu gamara moko. Okwa bolo na nemu nonso. Nemu gamara moko. Alele bukwa wageruwa. Jime, alele libwa wageruwa.
No. No, sorry. I won't. Don't be scared. You look heartbroken. What are you doing all alone in the middle of this thick forest? And what are you doing with those leaves?
It's to tend to my mother. She's laden with ill health.
Oh. May I see them? Don't worry, I won't hurt you. Trust me. Let me see. This could kill her. These leaves are poisonous. Okay, where's your mother? I told you not to worry. I can be of help. Just tell me where she is.
Follow me.
Is she your mother?
No problem.
Take. Put some water on the fire and boil it with this.
Okay.
She'll be fine before the fall of today. When she wakes up, just make sure she eats very well. I'll be on my way now.
Thank you. Where are you going to?
Where I came from.
Please, can you stay the night? My mother will be very grateful when she wakes up.
Akugo.
Did I hear my name?
Mama.
Mama, you're awake. Mama, you're awake. May the gods be praised, Mama. Hey, Mama, hey, Mama, you're awake. Oh, may the gods be praised. Mama, Mama, you went to have your bath and you fell down when you were coming out from the bathroom. And you haven't woken up since then, Mama. Mama, I'm so happy you're alive. I'm happy you're up. I thought you were gone. Mama, Mama, I'll bring you food. Dinana. Hey, Mama, I'll bring you food. Mama, Mama is awake. Oh, hey.
What is it? Didn't you see him?
I did not see him, Mama. But who is he? Where is he from?
Don't worry. He will come back. Inigo, I am sure he will come back. Would you like some mango?
All over for you.
Looking for me? Is your mother sick again?
No. Like you're so sure of the medicine you administered to her. My mother wants to see you. She wants to show gratitude. Come with me.
Stay away from me. Evil has a way of befalling people who come close to me.
You're not evil. You saved my mother's life. That's not evil.
Just go.
Can I at least know your name?
Odenibo.
Odenibo. That's liberating. My name is Akugo.
Akugo. Live here. Mama, that's the truth, honestly.
Monkey, Babu, Namo. Eh? Is that what happened?
But I go see me.
Oh my God, I can't believe this. Really? Chinekena, no. You didn't tell me Odenibo is such a funny man. Eh?
For maybe
go inside and prepare something special for Odenibo to eat. Hey! One came up one way in Chineke. I hope you enjoyed the food.
Yes, Mama. Hey, Nesinja.
Oh, Musi. Or Adam one.
Oh, my name and money Nesi.
Hold on right there.
What are you doing here, Ikedi?
Ugom, I came to see you.
Ikedi, please leave my compound now.
What has come over you, Akugo?
You should be sleeping by now, or have you forgotten?
Oh, I see. Is it about the other day? Okay, I was really tired. I'm sorry. Okay? Come on.
Don't come close to me. Don't.
You heard her. She doesn't want to see you.
Young man, I pretend I didn't hear what you just said. And the gods must be crazy to have allowed your type exist in this community.
Ikedi, I said you should leave my compound. Leave now.
Who are you asking me out of your compound?
Yes.
Because of this bushman?
Yes, Ikedi, leave. Now.
Do you realize you're talking to Prince Ikedi? Hey, Afuamanya. Mama, even you. I am disappointed. Don't worry, I'll leave. I will leave, but I'll come back. I'll come back. Agu, did you see what just happened now?
Calm down, my prince.
No, I won't take that.
Calm down.
Calm down. How can I calm down? How can I calm down when Akugo disgraced me in front of that bushman? She humiliated me, and I won't take that.
No, my prince, he's not a bushman. He's a man from Umago. That's the way they dressed.
That makes it even worse. Umago you just mentioned. She chose our enemy over me. Oh, that's more than an insult to Prince Ikedi, and I will not take that.
Adememe.
I won't take that. You know what? I will so deal with that fool. I will so deal with that idiot to the point that when he sees me, he will prostrate and worship me like a prince that I am. Yes. And what do I do? Ago!
Hey, my prince!
I am finished, Igwe!
Hold on, say woman, and tell me what the problem is.
My daughter. No! My daughter! Oh, she's dead!
This kingdom again?
Wait, your daughter?
She is dead!
The one I saw on my way to this palace?
Yes!
It's not true. I can't believe this.
Was she sick?
I met her at the backyard. We're vultures! We're feeding her!
Vultures? This is mysterious. In this small kingdom again? First was my daughter. Oh.
Woman, what have you done? Did you bring ant-infested firewood into your own house?
I can imagine.
Hey, you, come here.
What is it? What is it?
Listen, the Igwe asked that we should get the stranger.
Why? What did he do?
He killed Ogundi the hunter.
Me?
Killed who? Shut up, my friend. Come on,
Where are you talking? Where are you taking him to now?
You killed him.
I did not kill anybody. Where are you?
Oh, shut up. Come on, move with us.
Akugo, can you tell this? What are you talking about? Who I killed? I did not kill anybody.
Why are you taking him to?
Shut up. Akugo, tell him I did not kill anybody.
I haven't killed. When you get to the palace, you are accusing me wrongly. Can you tell this boy I didn't kill anybody?
Why are you taking it to them?
I did not kill anybody. I did not kill anybody.
So you and your king are not yet tired of poking your hands into my eyes. The other time you attempted the life of my son, Prince Ikedi here, which you claimed he trespassed into your land. You are not afraid, you. You came into my kingdom and killed my best hunter. Now tell me, did he trespass into your land?
Hi. Igwe. Oh, shut up. You don't talk when Igwe Akobweze is talking. You don't.
I have taken so many nonsense from Igwe Dikeh. This I will not take. Guards, Igwe, take him to the village square. Stone him to death.
Igwe, please.
That is my judgment.
I didn't do what Igwe, I beg you. I didn't tell him I didn't do it. Take him out of here. I did not do it. I tell him I did not do this. I didn't do what you accused
like you didn't do it because...
So shall it be.
Igwe, please forgive him. He's innocent. Igwe, because he didn't do it. Please, Igwe, because
no one seems to believe me. Nobody wants to help me. Nobody wants to hear me out.
Taken him away to stone him. Mama. They've taken him to stone him.
What did he do? How? Hey!
Why do you want to spill innocent blood?
Who is innocent? This one?
Yes, he is innocent. He did not kill anybody. What proof do you have?
Yes! What proof?
I saw guards from the royal household kill the hunter.
Hey!
Maziokoro, that's a grave allegation. An egregious one at that. Be careful what you say, because the king will not be happy if you lie against his house.
Yes! I am aware. And I will never lie against the king. Now watch this.
Hey!
This belongs to one of the guards. No one is allowed to put it on except the royal guards. And I picked it from where the hunter was killed.
Alika! Alika! Let's go. Get your spare. Alika, let's go.
What is giving that young man? He's supposed to have returned.
Of course. Igwe! Igwe! Hey! Igwe! 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 Igwe!
What is it?
Oh, Igwe!
Who is after you?
Igwe, there's a problem.
What is it?
Igwe, there is a problem, oh.
What problem?
Igwe! The chief priest is dead.
Hey!
Igwe!
How?
Igwe! Ezemo! Hey! Ezemo! Hey! My eyes have seen my ears, oh. Ezemo! Hey! The Igwe must hear this. Hey! Ezemo! Hey!
You mean the chief priest is dead?
Yes, Igwe.
What have I done wrong? Can someone tell me?
Igwe, the princess.
The princess?
Yes, Igwe.
What about her?
Something has gone wrong with her.
My daughter!
Princess, Igwe.
My daughter!
Adania, oh my God. So this evil has finally located my house. Oh, what do I do? Ogodo must have answer to this. Yes, I must send for him now and immediately.
Father, please, I'm sorry. Father, I'm sorry, please. Please forgive me. Please. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know what came over me, Father. Please, I'm sorry, please. I promise it will repeat itself again. Remember, I'm your only child, the prince of Uja Kingdom. Father, please, please, I'm sorry, please.
You are not worthy of the honor of succeeding me. Therefore, you cease to be the heir apparent to the throne of your forefathers. You are hereby stripped of the royal rights and privileges you enjoy. Henceforth, you shall live as a commoner. This is my judgment.
Hey, Igwe, please, don't do this to him. Please, it will kill him. Temper justice with mercy, please, my husband.
Father, your son is a murderer who killed a helpless hunter and framed an innocent boy just because of a woman. He's lucky I did not order them to kill him as well.
Father, please. Please, Father, please.
My decision is final. The Igwe has spoken. Take him away.
My king, you said of derobing him.
Derobe him. Remove everything from him.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Father, please. Father, please. Father, please. Father, please.
Your Majesty,
Father,
please.
Take him away.
Your Majesty, please, don't do this to him.
I'm sorry, Father. I won't do it again. I'm sorry, Father. No. Wait, let me talk to my father. Let me talk to my father.
Ikenga.
My king.
Are you alright?
Yes, my king, I'm very okay. You have to excuse me now. There's this matter of great importance I need to attend to. I won't be long. At least before Madoka gets back, I will be here.
Ikenga.
My king.
Why is so crucial that the situation facing us in this kingdom? You are telling all of us gather with the elders here that you want to go where?
I just call your Jesus.
Thick darkness cover the whole of Umago. Hey, the cloud of evil enveloping the entire community. I can hear the cry from beyond. I hear the cry of the innocent. Umago had been polluted with the blood of the innocent out of jealousy.
Wise one, you confuse us. I've never treated enough of my subjects with injustice. Wise one, speak. What have we to do?
Hey, Yanga shishe peteja, Yanga the maja treasure, Yanga. Atu hukwa krikanga tambosha jatowe ya.
Somebody in this environment has committed a sacrilege. He has spilled the blood of the innocent.
In this environment, Umago Kingdom, speak, wise one.
My king, please, that matter of importance, let me go. All I can say, let me run.
Ikenga.
My king, please.
Stop! Ikenga, come back.
I can smell blood around you. Blood around you. What have you done?
What blood? Don't measure my name in connection with any blood, though. If you want him, tell him. Oh.
Shut up! You shouldn't be talking while I'm talking. Now speak. Speak.
I'll speak. I'll speak. My king, please, I'm sorry. I killed her. I killed Ogonna.
You, Ikenga! Kill Ogonna!
I paid a young man, Ikenna, to rape and kill her.
Hey!
I'm sorry. Bikon. I'm sorry.
Oh, Hello. Oh,
please. Kenga, why? What has she done to you? My king, please, I am sorry. My elders, forgive me. It is because of the love and attention you showered on Odenibo. I was afraid one day you will hand over the throne to him. The throne I am so much interested in. I needed Odenibo out of the way so as to pave way for my son to get at your daughter. But he didn't. So please, my king, I am sorry. Forgive me, my elders. So my son Odenibo is innocent? Yes, he is. So you are the one responsible for the calamity that has befallen my household and the entire Umago kingdom. My king, I'm sorry. I see. Guards! Igwe! Guards! Igwe! Turn this man away! As the entire household and throw him to the evil forest! My king, please. It has not got into this. Take him away! My king! Move here! The wise one. Nine has confessed. Can we enjoy peace in this kingdom?
Peace? You're very far from peace. Your peace and liberation lie in one man.
And who is that man?
Once upon a time in Umago, a man was wrongly judged. He was wrongly accused, disgraced and humiliated, just like a castaway. You must find him, because your journey into finding peace lies in his bosom.
Ezemo, you mean after finding Odenibo, we will still not have peace?
In the great cave of Egede, beyond the rivers of death, a bad eagle had just laid an egg. He will lead 6 young men to get that egg before it is hatched.
Wise one, what happens if it's hatched?
Then you have to wait for another cycle of 60 market days. But by then, all your young women must have been wiped away.
How? And where do we find him? We don't even know if he is still alive.
He is still alive. You must bring him before 3 days.
How? And where?
I will give you something that will lead you to him.
Is that not the root prince?
Yes, he's the one.
Hey.
He is no longer the prince. He is just like you and me now.
Hey! That means we are going to show him what it takes to be one of us.
Yes, sir!
Hey,
Prince Ikedi!
Let's go!
Prince Ikedi!
Come now. I'm coming.
You don't have any right over my life, Ikedi. Stop bothering me.
I am sorry, Akugo. I said I'm sorry.
Oh, so this mouth of yours can beg, eh? So you can say sorry, Ikedi. I trusted you with all my heart. I never knew you were capable of such evil. Now leave my house.
Akugo, I just said I'm sorry.
Leave my house.
Okay, can we at least talk?
I said leave my house, Ikedi.
Can we talk?
Okay, we cherry. Okay. Leave my house, Ikedi. Leave my house. If I do something stupid, both of us will regret. I'm no fear.
You would have stayed. Let me teach you a lesson.
Like I said before, Your Highness, we come in peace.
Umago is in grave danger. Our existence has been threatened by the evil perpetrated by one of us. But the solution is in your kingdom.
My kingdom? How?
The adopted son of Dikeh is taking refuge in your kingdom. He is the solution to our calamity. His name is Odenibo.
Odenibo? Who is Odenibo?
Igwe.
Oh, yes, I see. I know him.
Please, Your Highness, we must see him.
No, I'm not going anywhere with you.
Please, Odenibo, we are in trouble. And you are the only one that can save us.
I don't care. You want me to come back to that village after the shame and humiliation I faced in the hands of my own people?
We are truly sorry. We acted in ignorance. Now we know better. Please, do not leave us now.
You people should live here.
Destiny, destiny, oh. My destiny, my destiny, oh. Akalaka njebio wamo, akalaka me wero ficha mancha. Ife chipulu opunya gemelele, isi chitu yelungo bugo ya. Onye chido belundu gadelele yo, ifumu wane mezi bamansio.
Odenibo, you've not eaten the food I served you since.
I'm not hungry.
Why? Has it got anything to do with those men? Who are they?
They are nobody.
Odenibo, see, you can talk to me. You can tell me anything.
Apugo, there's nothing to talk about. They are gone, aren't they?
Are you sure about that?
What do you mean?
Destiny, destiny, my destiny, my destiny.
You are still here? I thought I made myself clear. Go!
Please, please. You know Dikeh too well. He will have my head cut off if I return without you. Please, please.
Please, Odenibo.
Odenibo, please, I think you need to go with them, Biko. Whatever will make an old man lie out there in the cold must be very serious.
What are you talking about? Do you know what those people put me through? The shame, the humiliation, and you're telling me to go with them?
But you came out stronger. Look at you. Please, Biko, forgive them. Don't be vengeful. Go with them. I'll go with you.
No, you will not go with him.
Oh, Mama, I'll be safe.
No, you will not. You can't go anywhere.
Why? What do you have against Umago?
I have nothing against Umago. Because stop asking me questions. Look, I'm going out. I expect you to fill up all the pots before I come back. And Jebiko. Hey,
Destiny, destiny, my destiny, my destiny. Akalaka njebio wamo, onye chimele se gabuese, onye bukwa na wane ya nuwa manche, ife delo edegonya, nuwa o,
Hey! Apuga Bukwanuma! Apugo! Apuga! Hey! This girl has killed me. This girl has killed me, oh! So she left this house with Odenibo after all my warnings. Hey! Mama. This barbarian's girl.
Mama,
oh,
Mama, what's it? Why are you crying?
Apugo Kanaya. I begged her, I warned her, I said, don't follow Eldenibo or Kachienti. Follow the Eldenibo to Mwagu village. Can you imagine one camel? Eh? Apuko Kamnabna, Pokon on Nege. Fuzio Denibo, Lifosa. Hey!
So that bush boy has succeeded in hypnotizing her. Mama, Ozugo, so bad. Don't worry, Mama, Ozugo. I'll bring her back.
No, Diana.
It's okay, Mama. No, if I lay my hands on that, so that's bush boy again. Mama said no, don't worry. Don't worry. Ozugo.
Destiny. Akalake we're feature. My destiny. Akalake we're feature. Akalake and Jebu Wamo. Akalake we're feature. Oye Chimele Segabuese. Akalake we're feature. Onye Bubwana one day and one manche. If I don't gonya. Akalake we're feature. No, Akalake we're feature.
I'm so sorry. Stand up.
It's not your fault, Father. You did what was expected of you as a king.
I mistrusted you, my son.
But you didn't kill me. You spared my life. I survived because you taught me how to survive in difficult times.
Okay. Thank you for coming back.
Thank you, Father.
And who is she?
Greetings, Your Highness.
Thank you, my daughter.
She's my friend. Oh. Her name is Akugo.
I see. My daughter, you're welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Father, where is my princess? My sister.
Me, your sister?
Yes, Father.
She's inside. Let's go and see her.
Okay, Father.
Destiny. Akalake we're feature. My destiny. Akalake we're feature. Akalake and Jebu Wamo. Akalake we're feature. Oye Chimele Segabuese. Akalake we're feature. Onye Bubwana one day and one manche. If I don't gonya.
My princess. Father, she's in pains. What do we do?
I don't know. Go with me.
Onye mebuna nyakanya diota makechi. Onye bupona nyakanya diota makechi. Apolo ni na twalo. Ifo no bigi. Biko vitamina makandogi.
I have lost everything. My parents, the throne, my pride. No, I can't lose her. She's all I have. I'll find her, bring her back, or I die trying. Yes. Yes.
My destiny. Akalaka Jebu Wamo. Oye Chimele Segabuese. Onye Bubwana one day and one manche.
Scared.
Then you're scared. Why are you scared?
About the journey you want to head back on.
Look, Obi, I will go and I will come back victoriously, okay?
I'm just scared.
All I just want for you, just put yourself together and then take care of the house and take care of yourself, okay? Sure, I'll be back, I promise you. Okay? No, it's okay. Alright? Just stop crying. Alright?
My destiny, Akala can
No! I said 7! 7 and no more! 7 is the number of perfection. 1 couldn't make it. Coward! You cannot embark on this journey unless you are complete.
I'll complete them.
Yes. What are you doing here?
Aquam, I came for you.
Ikedi, you cannot go on this journey. It is very dangerous.
When did you begin to care about my welfare? I ask you, when? Everybody thinks I'm irresponsible. This is an opportunity for me to prove everybody wrong, including myself.
What if you don't come back?
Then I would have died for a noble cause.
Young man, can you go with them? Are you ready?
Yes, but not with these funny looking clothes. Get me something better. Okay, I'm ready.
I see. Done! Let the fortification begin.
Destiny, my destiny, Akala can
My dear, do you know that up till now, nobody have heard of Ikedi?
Serious? But Igwe is so mean to have banished his only son.
Why won't he? He committed a crime that is unforgiven.
Oh, wow. That's good for him. He claims to be the prince, but he's so wicked. I wonder what would have happened to him when he becomes king.
My dear, leave him. His wickedness has brought him doom.
Na so, Kabasa, people kaifu.
It served him right.
Ngwa, abido. Ụmụagụ agado na-eke n'unu obodo dere egwu agado na-eke n'ihu obodo dere egwu ụmụagụ agado na-eke n'unu obodo dere egwu agado na-eke n'unu obodo dere egwu ayịma ụmụagụ obodo na-eke n'unu obodo dere egwu agado na-eke n'unu obodo dere egwu ekwe m unu obodo na-eke n'unu obodo dere egwu ụmụaka obodo na-eke n'unu obodo dere egwu Agodo. Agodo na-eke n'ụlọ. Obodo dere egwu. Agodo na-eke n'ụlọ. Obodo dere egwu. Ekwe m unu. Agodo na-eke n'ụlọ. Obodo dere egwu. 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 Ụmụmaga obodo na-eke n'ụlọ. Obodo dere egwu. Agodo na-eke n'ụlọ. Obodo dere egwu. Ekwe m unu. Ngwara anyị si n'azụ. Agodo na-eke n'ụlọ. Obodo dere egwu. Ụmụmaga agodo na-eke n'ụlọ. Obodo dere egwu. Ọkọdọ. Nyekwu ya kwudobe. Agodo na-eke n'ụlọ. Obodo dere egwu. Ndị ụmụaga agodo na-eke n'ụlọ. Obodo dere egwu. Isi na isi rabụ n'ọnụ. Oke na-aka ibe. Ụmụaga egede na-eke n'ụlọ. Obodo dere egwu. Agodo na-eke n'ụlọ. Obodo dere egwu. Agodo na-eke n'ụlọ. Obodo dere egwu. Nwoke okoro yanga isi isi epete eja. Ndị mmadụ atụ eja yanga. Yanga isi isi epete eja. Yanga ndị mmadụ atụ eja yanga. Yanga isi isi epete eja. Yanga ndị mmadụ atụ eja yanga. Ekwe m unu. Hey! Neke ekpe afọ m nwa ebe ndụ ọrịa ka. Oru n'omume. Oru mgbe eji ama ndị bụ ndụ. Wudere kara aka na amapụ ụzọ afọ. Oruo. Nga. Eji anaghị isi ije. Ọka ọdụ. Eji anaghị isi ije. Ọka ọdụ. Eji anaghị isi ije. Ekwe ngị. Eji anaghị isi ije. Nga. Eji anaghị isi ije. Eji anaghị isi ije. Ekwe m unu. Ngwa. Nga. Eji anaghị isi ije. Ogodo, ogodo, ogodo nwoke. Waji maji otu mgbọrọ ka ọbọji na-eka. Ekwe m unu. You have been fully fortified for this journey. You have been fully fortified for this journey. Do not in any way fear anything you will meet on the way. You must resist anything, any force you might meet on the way. Do not fall for deception. Do not fight among yourselves. Don't fight any of yourselves. And most importantly, do not eat anything, or drink anything until you come back. Easy, Nga, Nga. Use this to rise when your enemy will come like a flood. Do not fear, because what you fear also is afraid of you. Fear is not in the monster you see, the monster before you. Fear is in your head. Then take this. Nga. What you seek for is like this. Use this to replace it when you collect it. Good luck. You must be back here in 3 days. Yanga shishe peteja, yanga ndu moja chwacha, yanga weko korao, yanga shishe peteja, yanga ndu moja chwacha, yanga shishe peteja.
You'll come back to me, right?
If the gods please, I will.
Please, take care of Ikedi. Bring him back with you.
I will. What about you?
I will take care of the princess while I wait your return.
Thank you.
Destiny, my destiny. Akalaka njebio Akalaka me wero vijamatia.
And listen good. This is how the whole thing will play out. I'll go grab the egg and then come back and take my love. That way, the gods get back what they lost, which is you. And I will get back what I lost. Yes.
Destiny, my destiny, my destiny. Akala kanje biyo Akala me wero ficha mancha. Ife chikulu omunya gemelele.
What is it? I see something. I see something. You see what? Don't touch it. Do not touch
What is it, Ikoro? Is it not where Oson disappeared?
Yes, this is the exact spot. So we've been running in a circle for 2 days for nothing all because of you, huh?
Stop this, both of you. You can't keep fighting each other. We have lost a lot already. Don't forget what Ogodo the Great said.
Humans and their folly always run into something but achieving nothing.
Who are you?
Who are you? I can make your journey easy. I can stop the movement of time. You have less than a day to achieve what you want.
Nothing goes for nothing. Tell us what you seek in return for this huge favor.
I want the egg in your bag.
That's not possible. That's all we have in exchange for what we seek. If I give it to you, it means our John is defeated. Ask another thing.
I want your blood.
Hey, old man. Are you a vampire or something? Now tell me, what do you want? Tell us what you want. Where are we?
Don't know, where are we? I don't know. I'm confused.
Oh, shut up. How can you be confused? Are you not the leader?
Easy. Spirit of our ancestors, please come to our rescue. We do not know where we are.
So, Owa and Dikeh are gone, just like that. Son! Son? Father, what are you doing here?
I've been looking for you everywhere, son. Just to tell you that I'm sorry. I was harsh in my judgment. All what you lost has been restored. Come, let's go.
I can't believe this is happening. I can't believe. Really?
Yes. Your kingdom awaits you. Let's go.
Oh, Father.
How dare you?
Dikeh, that was not your father.
Thank you, Dinibu. Thank you for saving my life.
I didn't do it for you.
Igwe, may you live long. Oh. Mama, what are you doing here? What do you mean, what am I doing here? Why did you leave the house? I told you not to leave the house. Do you know why you're getting... Why you shout? I don't like this kind of thing. Chimo. Hey, what are you...
Hey. Oh, wait, yeah. Oh, wait, yeah. Sit down. Hey, wait, yeah.
They are back.
Oh, wait, yeah.
Our wives.
Hey. Inside this egg lives a virgin eagle, chaste and pure, just like you. Forgive us. Please forgive us and accept this as an atonement for all we did to you. Yeah. Where you?
That's not the way.
The gods have accepted our sacrifice. My son, thank you. Thank you. You are truly my son.
Thank you, Father.
The eyes of the gods.
Your Majesty.
I thank you. Tend to his injury.
Young man, step out here.
Hey! Wait! Ewo! Che! Mama. Ewo! You shout. Wait.
What is it, woman?
I gave him that mark.
Eh?
What? I gave him that mark. Turn around. Turn. Wait. You have this. Sit! I gave both of you the marks. Mama, I gave both of you the marks. He's your twin brother.
What are you talking about?
Listen, I gave birth to both of you years back. But, you know, having twins in this kingdom is an abomination. So I gave you those marks and I separated you. He's your twin brother. He is your twin brother.
You have to go in there, take the child and go.
Nai, what about you? Nai.
I will be safe. Just go. Go in.
You are Mevne's wife. Ezinne.
Oh, it's me.
Hey. I see. At that same time, my late maid brought a child by the stream and gave it to my late wife. I would never had a whole child at that time. We took the child in I will accept it as an act of God's favor and will raise him up. I see.
What a wonder.
Ezine, what you did was abominable. But for the love I have for my son, Odenibo, and because he has just redeemed the entire kingdom from the calamity that will have stopped our existence, I hereby decree, as the Dikeh of Umago kingdom, that from henceforth, no more king or twins.
Ogodo bojembe wilo. Ayi bojembe wilo. Ojembe wilo. Ayi bojembe wilo.
My daughter. Adania, you are alive.
Yes, Give me stand.
Akugo, I know I'm not worthy of you, but is there ever a possibility that you could still marry me?
Yes, Ikedi. I'll marry you. Akugo, I love you. Akugo, you got him.
I have always thought it was impossible. But each time my heart kept telling me, no, it's possible. I've always loved you, Abuma. But I thought it was wrong, so I kept running away from my destiny. Now I have accepted my destiny. You are my destiny. Will you please marry me?
Yes. Yes, I'll marry you.
Thank you.
Uja agere mono. Mono. Today is a very special day to both kingdoms. Over the years, your relationship has not been cordial. I mean, it has not been good. But today, it has ended. You have been called together to coexist in the presence of this our great ancestral tree, Osisi Udo. So no more boundaries, no more troubles. But now, I have to perform a special assignment. Eze, Dikeh, Dikeh of Umago. Stand out there. Eze Akubeze, Okulo Kalo, Obuye Mbende Atoto, come before me. I want you to bring out your hands like this. And join them together. By authority conferred on me as your true and I bring Uja Kingdom and coexist in peace, remain in peace, intermarry, no more drugs, no more boys, no more boundaries, from now on, and so shall it be. You ready here?
Gidi, so where's the one name of body rama, on Nagasakobodo. Nobody wants to help me. Nobody wants to hear